What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme week something unboxing. It will be on the screen and on the title, but I do not know what week this is. So this week's been kind of crazy, but before I jump into it, yeah, I did change my desk around and I'm gonna be wearing the same shirt that I filmed the last video in because I did just get back from a vacation. My skin's peeling a lot and switching clothes is getting my dead skin everywhere, and I know that's gross. Anyways though, this has been a crazy week. If you watched the live cop, I thought I took an L, but I waited on the processing screen for about 45 minutes, I believe, maybe 30 minutes, and I was able to secure these items. I guess this season's been full of like ghost carding and just sticking on the processing screen for like 30 minutes to an hour, and that's how you've been taking the dubs lately. And I was able to get 2 dubs off my patience. I don't know where my knife is actually. Alright, we got the knife. Now let's crack right into this. Actually, I think I'm gonna start with this one, so I don't really need the knife. Actually, I'm gonna need the knife. This one doesn't have the little peel thing on it that I thought it did. Let's get this one open. And there are, I think it's from this week, there is a sticker. So hopefully we got that sticker. Let's get this open. And nothing, no sticker in here. I do not think so. Maybe it's in here if we got a sticker. All right, we just got we got 2 red box Lego stickers. That's it. And then we have it right here. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought. I mean, I don't really know what I was expecting, but it's a little bit smaller. This is a Supreme coffin keychain. I did get it in the red colorway. If you watched the live cop, I wanted this so bad. This was in probably my top 5 accessories I wanted this season. It is actually kind of heavy. This is cool. It came in the black and the red colorway. I wanted the red the most, but honestly I would have took either or. So I'm so hyped I actually left the processing screen up and was able to secure this. Let me know if any of you guys have been taking a dub that way, because I usually just end the live cops and let those things process. But now 2 weeks in a row I've actually got stuff after I had ended the live cop. The processing screen just stuck there, like I said, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, and then we'd be hitting dub. I'm hyped I got that, and like I said, let me know in the comments down below if that's happened to you guys. Last from this week's unboxing is the biggest dub. I already know what it is because I got the shipping confirmation, but somehow I never got an order confirmation. I know Supreme isn't the best with order confirmations, but I'd say this season I have always gotten an order confirmation. Not with this though, I only got the shipping confirmation. If you watch the live cop 2, I don't even know what happened because it said that like I couldn't process the order or something. If you remember too, I'm freaking out in the video, like what did I just say? What did I just say? I don't know what it said. Somehow these ended up on my doorstep. Like I said, it's been like a weird few weeks with Supreme, so I don't know what's going on, but I got them. I'm not complaining, and I did get a pack of 4, so that's sick. Look how nice this box is. This like fits all 4 of them in there perfectly, and obviously you just saw we got the Supreme Ziploc bags. This is sick. Just the packaging alone on this is so cool. Just like the regular Ziploc with the Supreme bag right there, but then a whole Supreme box logo on the side. Let's get these out here so we can see them all. I'm gonna be keeping one for myself and probably selling the other 3. Not entirely sure yet, but that is my plan. And I did get 2 red box Lego stickers, so I believe it's pronounced Lay Bowery or something like that, but we didn't get those stickers. I believe it's part of this week. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I swore that shirt came out during this release, but yeah, like I said, I could be wrong, not entirely sure. This week I thought was an L, turned into a W, and I'm so happy I didn't have to pay resell on these things. I did end up getting the tote when I actually opened it up. I want to say this is all in the same week. Clearly I don't remember what's going on. Okay, yeah, I just looked up to make sure. The Lay Bowery stuff did come out this week, but I didn't get any of the stickers. But the other thing I didn't get, I did pick this up resell though. I already opened it up from the packaging, so I couldn't do an unboxing on it, but I did pick this up resell. I think I paid about, I want to say $10 or $15 over retail for it, so I wasn't even too mad. But let's just open it up from the packaging. Took it out of here for some reason and then retaped it up, but you know, it's whatever. But right here I got it in the red colorway, which is honestly the cheapest of the colorways, but I didn't really care because like I said, if I was only paying that like 10 15 bucks over retail, I wasn't really too worried about it. This thing is pretty good quality. It makes sense for it being the $100. It does feel really nice, and I do like it a lot. I would have liked the black colorway, but the red colorway I think is still pretty sick. It looks like we got the red colorway in all the accessories from this week. This honestly was one of my favorite weeks from Supreme, and I'm hyped I was actually able to get some of it for retail, and then I only had to pay resale on the 1 item. But that almost doesn't even count paying so little over retail. So huge shout out to whoever sold that to me, because I love these new sellers. They don't mind taking L's, and they'll literally sell you something to make like a whole $1 or to lose money. I don't know why they like doing it, but it seems to be the thing, and like I'm all for it because anytime I take an L, I can pick up some of these items for very cheap. So this is the case where that happened. So yeah, again, shout out to whoever that was. So if you guys did enjoy this video, I have a ton of other Supreme content on the channel. Make sure you check that out. We only have 1 more week week of the season. I'm pretty upset about that, but I'm gonna be doing a live cop for that. So make sure you stay tuned if you want to check that out. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.